New to my channel? Hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates. This is the 1955 Corvette, guys. The C1 Corvette, also called as the first generation Corvette, which came out from Chevy. So today I'm just gonna get to the point. We'll find out which one is the real Hot Wheel and which one is the fake one, guys. Yes, welcome back, Hot Wheels fans. It's your boy DCS right here. So today it is the comparison video, the real versus the fake one. Alright guys, talking about today's cars, we have the 1955 first generation Corvettes right here. And of course, you guys can tell, I mean, if you can't tell, also it's okay, because I'm gonna tell it for you. This is the fake Hot Wheel, guys. Yes, take a look at this. This is the fake Hot Wheel, and this is the real one. Yes, you can't tell it apart, right? It looks so much similar. So we are going to compare these two cars today, just like the one which we did last time for the Lamborghini Super Trofeo. Check it out, it'll be up on the screen right here. Alright, talking about the previous video which I uploaded, it was the Tata Indica Vista, guys. Yes, I did an unboxing of that. It's a really cool car. Check it out, it will be up here right here. Okay, it's from No Rev Diecast, so it's a really good car, guys. I've even made the intro of it. Check it out. Okay, so moving on, let's just compare these videos. First, let's talk about its details. Yes, that's the first thing we have to look about. So let's go for the detailing. Now let's get going with the detailings, guys. But wait a sec. First thing, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates on all Hot Wheels and diecast. Alright, now getting with the Hot Wheel, guys. So first, let's talk about the real Hot Wheel. Let's see how the detailings look. So here you can see that it has the Hot Wheels logo and, oh, sorry about that, yes. And the interior is also pretty damn nice. You have gray flooring right there, and the glass is pretty dull on the real Hot Wheel, but the stripes are pretty nice. It's kind of bright. And this is how it looks at the bottom. You have the Hot Wheels logo and FJX90. That's the code for the car if you want to find it on Google. And this is the side skirts, which is kind of gray right there. So yeah, that's the real Hot Wheel, guys. Now let's talk about the fake one. Alright, so the fake one right here, yes, it has a brighter interior. I really appreciate that. And it has a good glass tint, but it does have a dull stripe finish. That's not so good. And of course, can't forget the wheels. These have some high profile tires. I mean, low profile tires actually. Yeah, and this one, it does have a high profile tires. So that's the difference, guys, between these two things. So why don't we just go for the quality check now? Time for the quality check of the 1955 Corvette right here, guys. Alright, so first I'm talking about the Hot Wheel again. So yeah, actually, if you have seen my previous video about the Lamborghini Super Trofeo, I told that the metal quality is good. Yes, of course, the Hot Wheels metal quality is really nice. It's pretty hard, it's stable, and you won't feel the part shaking. That's the good part about the Hot Wheels. Like, even if you just spank it like this, yes, you won't feel much of a click sound. It's just minor. And plus the wheels, yeah, they feel in place, they feel fixed. That's the difference, guys. And if you move on to this one, yes, you can hear the sound. Yeah, it's a low quality metal, and yes, there's a lot of wheel gap right here. That's pretty ugly. It really doesn't look good. And yeah, the paint finishing at the bottom, I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, this right here, it's not finished properly. And yeah, that's minor, but still, it's a lot of difference. So yeah, that's the metal quality of this one, guys, and the real Hot Wheel. So yeah, why don't we just talk about its weight now? Alright, looking at the weight of this car, guys, yes, the first is the fake Hot Wheels. It's just 21 grams. That is super light. And as we look at this one, yes, this is a real one, it's 33 grams. So that's the weight difference between these two cars, guys. So you know how the quality is of these two cars. So that's how you can get to know whether it's fake or not. So let's move on for the next one now. As we have seen its weight, guys, now let's talk about its missing parts. Not there's many, but it still has some of the missing parts over here. So yeah, first looking at the Hot Wheel, yes, you have taken a look at it. As you guys can see, the interior has a shifter knob right there. Yeah, lightly protruding over there, not such a big one. I hope you guys can see that, right? Yeah, that part. well, it misses that. Yes, it misses that. I mean, it still has it like a dot or something. Yeah, I hope you guys can see that too. Well, yeah, it misses that, and of course there are very minor things it misses. For example, let's see at the bottom. Yeah, those side skirts, they should have been gray, but it's black right here. And one more thing is the Hot Wheel logo on top. Yeah, right here, the Hot Wheel logo right here, it misses that on the side. Yeah, of course, on the side. And there's nothing much that it misses, just like the Lamborghini Super Trofeo. Actually, that didn't even have an interior, so it's pretty easy to I mean, it's pretty hard to spot which is the real or the fake Hot Wheel. So yeah, be careful with that, guys. Alright, so now let's go for the overall ups and downs. And now to the final part of this show, the overall ups and downs, guys. So yeah, talking about the overall thing. So yeah, as we have compared these two Hot Wheels, I mean the fake one and the real one. So yeah, there are some flaws in the fake one, there are some flaws in the real one too. Yes, and this time the real one didn't do much better. Cause actually, if you take a look at both of these cars, as I mentioned earlier, it really has a good glass tint, and this one doesn't really have such a good one. And surprisingly, the interior is also bright in the fake Hot Wheel compared to the real one. And yeah, those two are the disappointing parts in the real Hot Wheel, but in the fake one, yeah, they're pretty nice. I really like the bright interior it has. It's really good. But yes, even the fake Hot Wheel has a bit of flaws. As I said earlier, the quality of this car isn't so good. It's really cranky. It feels I don't know, it doesn't just feel right. It's so I don't know, like not so good. And yes, there's one advantage, as I mentioned in the previous video, like the Lamborghini one. This has screw types which you can just unscrew the body, and then you can just remove this top part, and then you can just customize it, like paint the whole car new in a different color without damaging any interior or anything. But yeah, in the regular Hot Wheel, you know, you got rivets, right? So you can't just take them out, you gotta drill them. So that's a bit of a pain. So yeah, guys, that's the ups and downs for both of these cars. So yeah, so do know the difference while buying them. You can notice the difference, right? The exterior details and all the other stuff which I mentioned. So yeah, guys, that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, as I told you earlier. And also comment any tips which you want to give me, like if I had to mention anything else, just comment it down below. Anything, guys, just anything. Alright, then that's gonna be it. Bye bye, enjoy and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.